Hello! In this video, we're going to explain how to manage your financials on an Excel template easily. In this cash flow Excel template, you can basically enter your data and then get a comprehensive cash flow, balance sheet, profit and loss statement for your small business or for your personal life. So, start with the settings section. You can add sub-classifications under the income types, and also you can edit the titles as well. Once you wrote down all of your revenue types and also the sub-classifications, now you can go to the expenses section. In the expenses section, do the same procedure, such as once you're done adjusting your settings according to your needs, now you can go to the database. Write down the opening balance. This is the cash or the bank deposit that you already have. And after that, write down your transactions. Enter the date. And then choose the classification from the drop-down list. You can see the revenues and also expenses in this section. If you choose a revenue, it is going to be colored in green, and if you choose an expense, it will be colored in red. So choose your income and then choose the right sub-classification under it. If you have a particular item, you can input it, but it is not totally necessary for the reports that you're going to observe. And then write the value. Once you write down the value, but not put the paid on date, the template is going to recognize this value as a receivable or a payable. In this case, it is a receivable. Once you input the date that you got paid on, such as the template is going to recognize it as the money which is obtained or paid. And after you put the date of the paid on, you will be able to see the accumulated value on the right column. Now let's do an example for an expense. Enter the date, choose the cost, and then the sub-classification. Enter the amount. Once you enter the amount, it is going to be recognized as payables. See, this is the payable amount, and the accumulated didn't change at all. Once you put the paid on date, the accumulated has decreased, so as the payables. Once you're done entering all of your transactions in this section, you will be able to see the final results above. You will be able to see the total revenue and expenses, so as the net profit as well. You can also see the receivables and the payables amount, and also the final accumulated amount in here. Once you're done entering all of your transactions, now you can check your results from the other sheets. Click on refresh. Do not forget to press on the refresh button once there's a change in the database section. You will be able to see the net profit report and also the chart in this section. You can filter it by year or by month as well. Once you add filters, the chart and the table will adjust according to your choice. You can also check other reports as well. You can get a detailed cash flow in this section. Just as in the other sheet, you can get a month analysis or a yearly analysis. You can check your payables and receivable list in this section. You can use the filters to check your results as well. If you do have goals, you can write in the white cells, and then by choosing the year, you can compare it to it. The only thing that you have to do is input the date that you would like to compare. Once you input the year, you will be able to see the differences as well. Be careful to only input in the white cells. You can also exclude the receivables and payables as well. And lastly, you can check your account analysis. You can use the filters to have more specific results, and you can check the division of revenue and also division of expenses in this section as well. I hope this video was informative enough. Thanks for watching.